Bet I make you feel some type of way.
What's up YouTube? It is your girl Jay back with another video. Today I am finally doing the update on the Mayveen 613 hair that I purchased like 9 months ago, almost a year ago, and she is still here with us. Ain't God good? Yes, he is. Thank you, Jesus. So to recap, in the color 613 in the inches of 22, 20, 18 with the 16-inch frontal. It was probably about like, I think at the time maybe like $200-300 that I purchased. When I bought it was like $200-300. I don't know. I think at that time I may have had a discount when I bought the hair or whatever. So I have literally fried it, dyed it, and revived it, sis. Like seriously, I have done so much with this hair. Like, I just love Mayveen. It is like really the bomb. So I don't know if you guys have seen my last video, maybe not my last, maybe like my second to my last video, where I had did the watercolor method with the purple dye. I freaking hated the color. It just didn't look right on me. But you know what? We're gonna change this up because I do not like this color. So what I did was, I believe I still have a video and I will be posting it somewhere up here somewhere if I can find it. What I did was I boiled this hair. I boiled it. I was so frantic and scared when I had boiled this hair because I'm like, is it gonna melt my lace? But it did not. Luckily, it did not melt my lace. I was so happy. And I didn't even have to go and re-dye it. All I did was boil it and it lightened back. It lightened to this beautiful lavender color, the color that I wanted. I was like, yes, there is a God. There is a weave God. Like seriously, I was so happy. I was elated. You'll see in the video, like I'm really like legit freaking scared and frantic. Like every 10 seconds, I'm trying to lift it back up because I'm trying to make sure it's not freaking melting because nobody wanted that. There's not freaking melting. So it didn't. It was able to live through the whole horror story. Like I'm just in love with this hair. Like this Mayveen's hair, the 613, she alright, sis. I messed with her the long way. Like it's minimal. As long as I've had this hair, it's minimal shedding. It really doesn't tangle that much. And like I said, I've done so much to this hair. Like this hair should have like, I don't know, limped over and died or something, but she's still living. She's still thriving. You know what I'm saying? Like, she lit, guys. She's lit. This video is not going to be super long. I just know that I had a couple of subscribers like, hey, are you going to do an update on the 613 hair? And I was like, you know what? I should. And I'm pretty sure, I don't know if you guys, I don't know if I even said that this was the Mayveen hair in my last video. But I'm sure you guys didn't even know that this was the hair that I actually did dye that purple, horrendous, ugliest color ever, okay? Also, I had to go and purchase me a new flat iron because when I did it, if you look at that video, this weave was looking crusty, bruh. It was looking so crusty, so horrible, but I still posted it because I thought the watercolor method was a pretty dope method to use to dye your hair, the easiest way to dye your hair. And so I had curled it. It was just looking so like, it was like crusty as hell. Like I really wasn't feeling it. So I had to go out and I purchased me a new flat iron by Hot Tools, bomb.com, the blue collection, bomb. I wanted to buy the Baby Bliss or something like that. I wanted to buy that, but I was like, damn, it's $139 for a flat iron. Oh. So I changed my mind on that one. So I just got the Hot Tools. That was probably about $80. I know I could have spent about like $40, $60 more and got the Baby Bliss, but I was like, forget that. I'm very frugal with my money, and I know that, you know, I needed a new flat iron because the flat iron I had was ceramic. The worst tool to use to flat iron your hair because I literally thought this hair had died on me. I was like, it's over. There's no more coming back with this hair. But when I went and I purchased a new flat iron, and I also used this product here. Can you guys see that? It's the by Has, the argan oil. It is a 5-in-1 leave-in spray. Conditions and detangles, free of sulfates and parabens. Like this stuff right here, God, This is really, really good stuff. Like my hair, it doesn't feel stiff. Like I hate stiff weave. Like I hate when weave is stiff. Like that's why I was gonna give this hair up, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go back. I'm going to try to boil this water. You know, we went on YouTube, as usual. I went on YouTube and I saw how people were removing dye from out of their weave that they no longer wanted. So that is exactly what I did. I removed or lightened the dye that I had applied into this hair. And it actually came back to life, guys. Like it came back to life. I was so happy. I really should be a sponsor or get sponsored, or maybe it should be my sponsor, because I'm always hyping their hair up. Like seriously. I stay hyping their hair up because I really do love it. I do see a lot of comments when I post like, oh my God, I got the worst hair ever from Mayveen and all that other stuff. Sis, I don't know who you bought that hair from. I don't know who that was. But it sure enough wasn't Mayveen. I don't know if maybe you have gotten it from like an outside third-party distributor who maybe done some funky stuff to the hair. I don't know. But I know for me, Mayveen has blessed my head a million times over. I love freaking Mayveen. I will forever purchase their hair. Will forever. Okay. Alright, so that is all that I have for you. I just wanted to give you a 9-month update. This hair has withstand everything. I have freaking toned it, dyed it, boiled it, fried it. I've done so much for this hair and it is still thriving. I'm telling you guys, this hair is bomb. And the color, when you apply color to it, it sticks and it holds, and it's just beautiful hair. It's really, really good hair. So like I told you guys, I stand behind Mayveen 110%. So if you are looking for some hair, you don't want to go to the beauty supply store, order Mayveen's hair. It's really bomb. They also always have coupons and discounts on their website. Like they make it really affordable, and their discounts really, really do help. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video that I made today for you regarding Mayveen's update and their 613 blonde hair. I don't remember if it was Brazilian. I think it was Brazilian that I purchased. I'm not sure. Alright guys, so I love you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, also that notification bell, so you can be notified when your girl uploads new videos. And I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace!